Guys, this video is quite funny to me. I mean, what what was this fowl thinking that it could defeat this dog? Sometimes I wish it's white dog that this fowl is fighting with, because white dogs would have dismantled this fowl in a split of seconds. In the video, you will discover that the dog made several attempts to strangle the fowl, but it couldn't. It's a domestic animal. You guys just sit back and enjoy the show.
Rồi cũng biết kéoมุมนะครับตอนเข้ามุมนะครับโอ้โหเอาแล้วครับคาบคอครับไม่ยอมครับจะบุญรอดนะครับขนหลุดแล้วครับขนรอดใจครับโอ้ยไม้